Hi everybody, today I have a quick example of finding a monthly payment using Excel. A business loan is taken for $536,000 for 8 years at 5.7% interest. We want to find the monthly payments for the loan. For easy reference, I've brought over all of our values, $536,000 as our present value, or how much money we're borrowing, the time of 8 years, which is the length of the loan, and the interest rate of 5.7%. To find the monthly payment, we'll just click in an empty cell, and you could click on FX to open the different functions that Excel has. We're looking for financial, so you might want to hit the drop-down menu and go to financial. And specifically what we're looking for is a payment, so you can scroll through until you find PMT. What's nice is that Excel tells you what it's going to calculate for you. It says it will calculate the payment for a loan based on constant payments and a constant interest rate. That's exactly what we want. When we hit OK, it's going to prompt us to enter all of our information. The first thing we're entering is the interest rate. We were given an interest rate of 5.7%. When you put the rate in, you need to include how often you're going to pay the loan. So we put in 5.7% and then divide by 12. This shows that we're paying monthly interest. The next one says in per. This is the total number of payments for the loan. Because our loan is for 8 years, we're paying 12 times a year. You could enter 8 times 12 and Excel will calculate that that's a total of 96 payments. You don't have to do that calculation separately. The present value is how much is the loan worth right now, and ours is $536,000. We could double click on the cell. So first click in PV and then you could double click the cell if you wanted to, or you can type in the $536,000. The future value is 0. We're trying to pay off the loan, so we want to know how much we have to pay per month in order to pay this off in 8 years. For the type, it's looking for, are you paying at the beginning or the end? Just leave that alone. It's fine. It'll go to the default. We can already see the answer, but let's hit OK to see it a little bigger. This says our payment is $6,965.77 per month. Notice that the font changed to red. Red indicates that this is a negative number. We are making a payment. We are not receiving this money.